Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to open the command prompt, also known as CMD, directly from this PC in Windows 10. This method is really simple and can save you time if you often need to use CMD. Let's get started. First, you need to open this PC. If you have a shortcut for this PC on your desktop, simply click it. But if you don't have, you can do this by clicking on the File Explorer icon on your taskbar or by pressing Windows+E on your keyboard. Once you're in File Explorer, look for this PC in the left-hand sidebar and click on it. Next, you'll notice a search bar in the upper right corner of the This PC window. This search bar is usually used to find files and folders, but you can also use it to open programs. In the search bar, type CMD and press Enter. Almost instantly, you should see command prompt appear in the search results. Click on it to open CMD. And that's it, you've successfully opened the command prompt directly from this PC. This method is a quick alternative to the traditional ways of opening CMD, like using the Start menu or Run dialog box. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Peace out.